The world can shake my peace, my worries never cease. But when I seek your grace, you calm my restless pace. I fall but rise again, I learn from every pain. Guide me through every day, keep all my fears away. Blessings in every step I take, show me the path that I should make. Hold all my doubts when I feel weak. Give me the peace my soul still seeks. I walk through nights and rain, I rise through hurt and pain. But with your love so near, I lose my heavy fear. I fall but rise again, I learn from every pain. Guide me through every day, keep all my fears away. Blessings in every step I take, show me the path that I should make. Hold all my doubts when I feel weak. Give me the peace my soul still seeks. Blessings in every step I take, show me the path that I should make. Hold all my doubts when I feel weak. Give me the peace my soul still seeks. Blessings in every step I take, show me the path that I should make. Hold all my doubts when I feel weak. Give me the peace my soul still seeks.